Good afternoon, Napa Valley Wine Academy. This is Stephen from the content team bringing you your weekly update. We'll be doing this on a weekly basis to keep you up to date with all things content. Now, the last couple of weeks, including this week, is a lot of planning, but there are some things we do want you to know about. So if you were away the end of last year, we released a new format type in membership. It's articles, and there's 12 in total. They are all about basically study tips, about how to be better at studying, how to do it more efficiently, put together by Janet, Noelle, Catherine, and I. And really, they're all quite easy to read, quite succinct, but very, very useful. And the next thing, we have got some updated maps, which will be advertised this week. So including Romania, Georgia, and updated Sonoma map. My favorite is probably the Romanian map, which I think we did a really great job with. I mean, it's just beautiful. It looks really great. So maps, and then the final thing, we have some new videos which will be advertised or marketed next week. So they're from Wine Masters TV. And so the first lot is a 3-piece series, a documentary on Lebanon. Of course, Lebanon's had a lot of turmoil in its history, and so it looks into that as well as their winemaking traditions and things like that. Great for people that want to go beyond, the classic wine regions that we all know so well. And then we have another food and wine pairing documentary, and this one's all about Bordeaux, really well put together. So that's what's happening with the content team. Have a great day, and made it with time to spare. Cheers.